How to sign up in Grindr. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can create an account and then sign up for Grindr. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to sign up and create an account on Grindr, all you have to do is first of all download the app from your respective app store. If you're on Android, open up the Google Play Store and download the app, and if you're on iOS, make sure to open up your respective app store. And once done, just tap on the open button to open the Grindr app. If you already have an account, you can log in with your email or phone, or I'm just going to click on the sign up button from the top right hand side. And first I'll just go ahead and then choose my birthday as well, enter your birth month as well as your birth year. And once you've done that, tap on the next option from the bottom. It will ask us to create an email as well as a password and then confirm it again. So we're just going to choose on the email option, and then I'll choose a dummy email of myself that I don't really use. And once I create an email with this and I enter my email address, I'm just going to click on the password option and then choose a password for myself as well. And once I choose an email address as well as a password for myself, make sure you've typed them in correctly. If you want to receive occasional emails, you can do that, but I'm just going to click on the create account button. Now after that, it'll ask you to verify this I'm not a robot captcha. So I'm just going to go ahead and then verify this captcha over here. Once I verify this captcha, I'll be able to successfully click on the verify button from the bottom of the screen. So let me also just go ahead and then do that respectively as well. And once I click on the verify option, if the captcha details are correct, it'll ask us to add our phone number. So all we need to do is go ahead and then enter our phone number over here. And once we enter our phone number, just tap on the send code option over here. And once you tap on the send code option, it is going to send a verification code to this specific number. And once you verify the number, you'll be able to successfully finish setting up your Grindr account. And that's all it takes to create your Grindr account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.